So this is the new eyes project, okay, was introduced today, and this should be about the fifth or sixth eyes project we are mining. So if you are not on any, this should be the very one you must join, okay, because this one is owned by Tokero, but they want to mine on eyes tap to earn technology, just the same way companies exchanges go to Satoshi app to mine. That is what ICE network has turned into, and I predicted it some months ago, and this is about the sixth project we're mining there. Please, you can join this one if you've not been on any. So if you click on the link that will come with this video or the post that I'll send to the channel, when you click on the link, you'll be led to this platform, to this very interface. And then because you clicked on that link, okay, you are going to see something like this. This is going to be my referral code. All you need to do is to click on this place to copy it. After copying it, then you click on get it on Google Play, right? Do not click on download Android APK, or if you do not also click on Telegram, okay? If Telegram pops up for you, after clicking here to copy, you can see copy it now. Then you click on Google Play to download it from Google Play, right? The reason is that you might go to Google Play Store and you go and search and you get the wrong one. That is it. So you click on here and then you'll be redirected to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, whatever device you are using. So, and then you click on install, right? So wait for it to install and then we'll continue. I've actually made videos on this. It's still the same format. I've made videos on this on Sunwave and also about 2 or 3 other projects that we're mining on the ICE technology. But just for those of you who are not on any of those projects and who want to join this one, or who still do not know how to go about, this is how to go about it. Follow it step by step. So after the installation, you click on open and then you'll be led to this place. So over here you're going to input your email and then you hit on this and a code will be sent to your email, to this particular email. You just go get it. So as you can see, here is it from ICE Lab. You just copy 096 and then 096 and then it's going to open up. Yes, the signing process has started, and then you're just going to be clicking on next. You can take your time to read what it's telling you. Next, 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 and you choose a nickname. So mine is going to be, of course, CN Trades, as you can see, and then I will click on this. Okay, next. Then this is a step that is a must. You are going to impute the person that referred you, okay, you're going to impute his referral code here. Is a must. If you don't do it, this place will not be highlighted. So in your case, what you are going to put here is CN trades, and I'm going to also drop the referral code. Then in my own case, I'm going to impute the person that invited me the code here. Okay, remember, you cannot put your own code, you cannot put any other person's code. It's the person that invited you. Without that, this will not be highlighted, right? So when you have imputed it, that's when this will highlight and then you click on complete, right? Remember, if you click on the link that will come with this video, right, my referral code, yeah, of course, it's going to automatically appear on this place like this, right? And before you would then click on copy, and then you click on copy it, so that when you come to this point you input it, right? Yeah, before you scroll down to click on download from Play Store. Okay, so then you come back to this place, you click on complete, and by completing that you'll be receiving this bonus, right? You'll be receiving this bonus, okay, of 2000 Tmoon, and then you click on complete again, and of course you will be fixed with some of these tasks. Join Telegram, blah 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 blah. So you just click and complete most of the tasks. Let's just say we'll do that now. Okay, this is actually this thing. You click and join, and then you go back, and of course you click on verify. You complete some of the tasks, close. So you just set up your account this way. Go to the taxation, perform the tasks that are remaining. Okay, yes, once you are done with all that, your mining session starts. And remember, it's always 24 hours, okay? But you wait until it is around 12. Once it is 12 hours, okay, this place will be highlighted yellow and you can resume a new mining session. You mustn't wait till the 24 hours is elapsed so that you don't get into slashing mode. So that is it. Now you can take out your time to also set up your account the way you want it to be, your username, your nickname and all that. So to get your referral link, you just click on this invite friends, right? Invite friend, you can click here, or you simply click on this place. It is still going to be the same thing. When you click there, you're going to see invite friends again. You just click on it and you can send it to friends via WhatsApp, Telegram, or you simply click on this place to copy the link and you are good to go. So that's going to be all. If you have confusion or any concern, any question, you can ask in the comment section and in the discussion session, and then I will attend to you. So that's it. Join now. It just launched today, and you are one of the early birds if you join now. Don't joke with any project. We have about 5 or 6 projects lined up. One, Dr. X will be finishing. The mining will end on the 4th, in a few days time, 4th of December. And the listing, in fact, when there was that listing, it will just be back-to-back listing, and you don't need to ask whether any of these projects will do well because they are on ICE network. And of course, the question should be, how many have I been able to accumulate, right? So as you can see here now, I have these are ICE project 1 2 3 4, okay, and then I have one on Telegram, that is 5. This one plus this one, and that is 6. So you can join and then you thank me later. Thank you.